Hi everyone, welcome back to Full Stack Investing. This is just going to be a short update video today on Micron because I can report very happily today Micron has crossed the $1 trillion value in market cap, which is quite substantial, becoming one of the top 15 most valuable companies in the world, joining a rarefied club. The same day actually that SK Hynix joined the $1 trillion club after a massive rally. So they've been on an absolute tear since my last video on Micron. I hold both stocks, although I have a much larger position in Micron, which I created just a few weeks ago. The return since then has been absolutely insane. I mean, the arguments I made for it in my previous Micron video still hold true today, which is that it's got massive earnings, the earnings are ramping solidly, and the stock is still being priced with a very low price to earnings multiple, which basically is inherited from fear that it's just going to go through a cyclic boom and bust valuation phase, which has happened previously with memory. But of course, this is different. We're not just looking at the release of laptops that are being bought and bought at such a high rate that there isn't enough memory to go around, causing a pricing surge. No, this is the build out of artificial intelligence, the fourth industrial revolution, changing everything everywhere, massive demand ramping well into the future, and some comments basically from the Micron CEO assuring the market that we can expect memory demand to continue being steep for a long time to come, and a re-rating from a major analyst setting up 1.6K target, which is more than $600 from where we are now. Basically has given confidence and sparked a massive rally on top of what we already had. So I think now my position is something up like 66%, which is absolutely wild for such a short period of time to have been investing in it. But I won't be selling. Ultimately, the multiples are still not that high. I think the stock would have to basically double from here in order for the multiples to start to look comparable to any other AI-related tech stock, like NVIDIA for something. And it still wouldn't be as high as NVIDIA if it did double. And yeah, so I don't buy the fear-mongering from people who think that it's going to be cyclic. I think that Micron's going to be a fantastic company for the long run. I honestly think that Micron could end up challenging for being the world's most valuable company. We'll see whether that prediction holds out. I mean, it depends how quickly the revenues from AI start to boost your Microsofts and your Googles and so on, and whether NVIDIA wakes up from its current price slumber, because its earnings growth are continuing to be fantastic, but the earnings growth from the high bandwidth memory companies is just spectacular, and I don't see it changing. So yeah, it's a great day to be invested in Micron. I hope any of you who watched the video are enjoying the same ride. This is not investing advice. This is just what I'm doing and my opinion of what's a good company. But I still think the fundamentals are solid. I'll make another video if I decide to trim or sell, but I have no plans of doing so for the time being. So Godspeed to you all. Look forward to the next video and sharing my next investing update with you. But thanks for listening, guys. See you.